Number one, we're gonna do hot water. We're gonna put roughly about 2 large cups of hot water. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put the lemon into it. All right. We got the green apple, 1 medium-sized one. We got fresh ginger, cloves. It's good. Also, we got some parsley. Lovely. Give that a mix. You don't want it to boil. You want to jar it. All right. So that's why I'm using hot water. So what I do, turn off the cooker now, and that looking good. Remember to get yourself a copy. It's on Amazon. You can see that's the way it look. All right. Perfect. So you guys can see. That's the way it look. That looks amazing and fantastic. Yeah, look at that. And this is like 2.5 cups of water. So I use and 1 large lemon. But you can drink this as a detoxing. That's why I make a lot, because I will use it. With 2 cups of water, boiling water is better. You just put the ingredients in it and allow it, let it jar. You don't have to boil it. It's not a soup, you know what I mean? Look at that, beautiful and nice. That looking good. Now you don't need to put any sweetener or sugar or honey. Drink it naturally as it is right here. All right, yeah man. Don't put no honey, no sweetener, no sugar, or you know. Yeah, the best is to drink it as it is, and 100% you will be okay. All right, a good vibes, people. Yes, thank you so much for watching. So what I'm going to do is pour it off and put it down and leave it for it to cool.